Hello guys, in this video we will see the date and time in PHP. So first we will open our IDE and create a new file here and save it as dt.php. Now the basic syntax of PHP, and now we will write some message here for HTML break. Actually in the beginning we don't need break, but we will write it and we will use it whenever we need it. So I'm giving a message. The current date is, and I will use this date function, and this date function uses two parameters, and first one is the format and the second one is a timestamp. So the first one, format, is required, it is compulsory, and the second parameter, it is optional. We can remove this and we can provide a format like this. Remember, we have to provide format in string format, like we have to provide string in place of format, and the format I use is dm and y. So it means I want to display the date in a day, and then hyphen, then month, and then hyphen, then year. So in this format I want to display this date. So first we will write here PHP date. So coming to this browser and provide here dt PHP date. The current date is 10/7/2018, and you can change this format like from this. Let us see the browser. You can see you can use anyway dot or dot saving this and come to browser. You can see the separator may be dot, hyphen, or oblique, anyone you want to use. This was about PHP date, and remember there are two parameters. One is format and the second is timestamp. Format is required. Now we will see the PHP time in PHP. So we will copy these two messages here and paste them. To display time, we use the same function date, and we will remove we will make this this way, like h and h for hours, and I for minutes, and s for seconds, and a for am or pm, whether it is am or pm. So saving this and coming to browser, we will refresh this. You can see PHP time, the current time is this. So this was about date and time, displaying date and time in PHP. Now the frequent thing in programming, while we are doing some project work, what we had to do, we had to change a string format, some string into a date. Like we have some string which represents the current date and time. Then we have to change that and display that string as a date. So how to do that? We have a function in PHP. We will use that very function. we have a function in PHP. We will use that function, and we will display this date and time. Like I am using this D here, or my favorite letter S, and in here we have to give the name of function, make time, and here we have to provide parameters. Like I am using 3 and 11 and 54. It's up to you. It's actually, then we have to provide 5 6 and 5 6 and 1995. So this way. Now we will echo. First we will echo this variable. Coming to browser, and we will refresh this page. You can see here this is showing something. Actually we have to display this as a hours dot I dot SA, and then day, month, and year. In order of S. Actually I forgot to pass this variable S to date function. This is the correct way we have to do it. Now coming on the browser, you can see 3:11 and 5:04 AM, and this is the date and this is the time part of it. So in this way we can make we can change a string into a date and time format. So this was about date and time in PHP. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.